To improve the sound quality on Soundcore Space One, first you will need to download a Soundcore app from a Google Play Store. And if you're an iOS user, you can find it on the App Store as well. Right after that, we can open this app on the device that is currently connected with the headset, and then select your Space One and scroll down. There's a few different settings that we can adjust. So first, I strongly recommend to go for noise cancellation mode if you want to hear the best quality, as it will mute any sounds from outside to give you the perfect sound. Then we can go for the sound effects, and this is something like a equalizer. You can perform Hear ID sound setup by toggling it on and then wear your headphones and follow instructions on screen, or you can try to go for a default pre-made equalizer preset and select the one that fits the music that you're listening to. In this case, if you like a bass, then you can go for a bass booster, which will increase the amount of it and the loudness. And that is basically everything that you can do to improve the sound quality on your Soundcore Space One.